Now I will show you the detailed information of certain dam. Let me click this Nangam 3 as an example. Here I need to explain that all of the data in the system currently is for test purpose. Now click. Now we come into the detailed information of this Nangam 3. First, we can see the picture of this reservoir, whether it's registered or not, when the safety appraisal will be expired, whether the regulation rules and the emergency plan are uploaded or not. We can also check the management unit and the responsible persons. We can check their names, their titles, and their mobile numbers. Then we can check the reservoir water level characteristics. For example, the maximum dam height, calibrated flood level, design flood level, upper water level for flood control, flood limit water level, and dead water level. On the right part, there is a graph. It's water and rain monitoring graph. It shows three parameters: rainfall, water level, and temperature. By putting the cursor on the graph, you can see the numbers. And this is visual surveillance. This real-time camera is for test purpose and it is in Yunnan province. Then inspection and maintenance. Here you can check data by different time span: 7-day, 15-day, and 30-day. The data includes patrol inspection. You can check total number of patrols checked, and hazard treatment: treated, closed, ongoing, and pending. Repair and maintenance work orders: treated, closed, ongoing, and pending. Operation and management work orders. Similar logic. So basically, this is the detailed information of a certain dam. Now, let's go back to the back-end system. To visit the back-end system, you just need to click here. Click. And since the words are a little bit difficult to read, I'm going to zoom it. Now it's much better, I believe. So this is the backend system of the dam safety management system. You can see different modules here: information management, safety monitoring, visual surveillance, patrol inspection and O&M, permissions management. I will go through them one by one. Let's look at this information management module first. It covers the information of different reservoirs. As you can see here, reservoir name, scale, project grade, management unit, administrative district, and a map. I will still use the Nangam 3 as an example. So let me search the Nangam 3. It's here. I click more. Now you can see the more detailed information of this specific reservoir, Nangam 3. Basic information: you can see the reservoir name, project scale, and etc. Hydrological features, different items. Of course, you can edit them. OK or cancel. hydraulic construction, dam, and spillway. Operation and maintenance. Monitoring stations, hydrological sites, hydrological monitoring points, and dam monitoring points. View, edit, or delete. Register information. So these are for the reservoir information. Now let's look at management information. Management unit, you can add it. Management staff, and management rules. You can upload file. Security management. Regulation rules. This is another test file. You can update. Emergency plan and safety appraisal. Basically, these are the modules for the information management. Now let's look at the safety monitoring. On safety monitoring, there are mainly 4 factors: environmental factor monitoring, deformation monitoring, seepage monitoring, and stress strain monitoring. You can search or change to different reservoirs here. You can select date range. For the environmental factor monitoring, it monitors 3 aspects: rainfall, average water level, average temperature. Deformation monitoring. It monitors surface deformation, internal horizontal displacement, internal vertical displacement, and interface displacement. You can check them very easily. This is vertical displacement. And interface displacement. Then let's look at video surveillance. You can choose other reservoirs as well. And this is the video surveillance equipment. As mentioned before, this equipment actually is installed in Yunnan province in China. So now I'm going to click the equipment. Now you can see this real-time camera. I'm going to use these white arrows to control the camera. Now you can see the camera is moving, though there is a little bit lagging. Then let's look at this patrol inspection and operation and management. And this module covers four parts: patrol management, hazard management, maintenance management, and work order management. I will first share with you the route configuration. Route configuration means that you can set the patrol inspection route. For example, this NAM-ON2 daily route, you can edit. You can reset the coordination, zoom the map, drag it as you like. Or you can add a new route. Confirm. Oh, sorry, I forgot the project name. Nangon 3, route name 123. Confirm. Now you can see this newly set route, Nangon 3, route name 123, and the 4 patrol node. Then we can have a look at the patrol record. Still, you can search by the route name or check the status. I need to explain that the patrol inspectors can use their mobile application to deal with the task and then report the result. So now I'm going to project my mobile so that you can have a look. And this is my mobile. This mobile is now on my hand, so I'm going to operate this mobile. This is the application, Smart Patrol Inspection. So now I'm going to click the Smart Patrol Inspection application. And since I have already logged in, so you can see this Nangon 3, daily inspection, pre-flood inspection, annual inspection. And this 1, 2, 3 task I just created. So now I'm going to click this 1 through 3. Then you can see very clearly the 4 inspection points as the same as in the coordination I have just set in the route configuration part. I can also report. For example, I click this camera and report, take a photo, upload the photo, I write OK, and then report. Submitted. Then you can see progress. There are totally 4 inspection points, and I have done 1, so the progress is 25%. Now let's go back to the backend system. Let's check the route configuration, 1, 2, 3, and patrol record, 1, 2, 3. Can view it. So you can see the photo I just reported. This patrol inspection inspected total 1 targets, 4 items, and reported 0 issues because I chose normal, so there is no issue. Then let's look at the hazard management. Similar logic, different hazards, handle status, pending, treated, processing, closed. You can view, you can check, before handling, after handling. Then we can have a look at the maintenance management. You can select different status and add maintenance tasks. You can view it as well. The last one, work order management. Here, you may find task query, which means that you can search the work orders by reservoir, by status. The task create, which means that you can create a work order. So now I'm going to create a work order for the Nangam 3. Work order name 999. Assigner, I assign to this person. Work order type, I will try hazard. Plan time, I will make it, say, right now. Okay. Please confirm. Success. Then you can see it here. This Nangam 3 999. And now I'm going to show you how inspector or staff will use their mobile application to deal with this work order. So again, let's look at my mobile. And this is the mobile. You can see this application again. So I click it. Here in the bottom, there is work order. So I click work order. Now you can see this 999 on the hazard rectification work order. So now I just click it and I will click this ongoing. And I will write something done, like done, and submit a photo after treatment. Save, submit. Then you can see the work order is gone, which means that this work order has been treated. So now I'm going to check it in the backstage system. I click this view. You can see after rectification, before rectification, and this is the after rectification. You can also check it here, My Task. So you create the task and inspector or the staff deal with the work order, and then in My Task part, you can check and accept if you agree with this treatment or not. So now I'm going to click the check. Not passed or passed. So I think, well, the treatment is okay. So I just click passed and confirm. Then you will find this work order come to this completed category. 999 completed. So this is how you use this backstage system to interact with the application and check the reported results. Then let's look at the permissions management. Permissions management is very easy to understand. You can manage the users who are using this system and give them different roles. You can manage the roles as well. View, edit, delete. So this is the dam safety management system. It has the GIS one map, detailed information of certain dam, and the backend system. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
好的，今天的分享就到这里，谢谢大家。
Thank you all, dear participants. This is the end of Mr. Zhu's sharing for today, and it's 4:15 p.m. China time. We'll take a 15 minutes break, and then we'll come back at about 4:30 p.m. China time, and we'll start our today's country report session. We'll have Singapore to do the country reports. So we will see you in 15 minutes at 4:30 China time. See you later.
Bye bye.
See
See
you
you
later.
later. See you later. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Zhu.
好的，谢谢。
朱总再见。
好，再见。
Recording stopped.